She's no what?
She's no her. She's definitely no Montana.
Oh, no? Slower?
Yeah.
Run her faster.
Don't record me.
Go faster. You can do it.
No.
I have faith in your horse.
Huh?
I have faith in your horse.
I have faith in her too.
Just do it.
That's why I said don't record me.
Oh my god.
You okay?
Whew.
Oh.
No, I think she's fine.